Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to reset your password for Tubi account. So let's get started. Launch open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in tubitv.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official website of Tubi, go and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. It'll then take you to the login page for Tubi. You'll need to type in your email and password if you are trying to sign in via email whenever you access your Tubi account. If you don't remember the password during login in, you can easily reset it by following this quick step. Simply go and click on this forgot password link beneath the sign in button and on the next page, enter your email associated with Tubi account. Once you enter your valid email address, click on Reset My Password. Now, check your inbox. In order to receive a password reset instruction, open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. Go ahead and open up the same email inbox that you registered with Tubi, and you'll receive an email from Tubi. Click it open and then click on the password reset link. On the next page, it'll take you to this interface where you'll need to enter your new password. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the next field. Now both of the passwords are typed in. Simply click on submit and you have successfully reset your password. Now, whenever you log into your account, you'll need to enter the new password that you just changed to and click sign in, and you'll be able to log into your account right away. That's how easy it is to reset your password for Tubi, even if you've forgotten it during login in. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.